there. Are we rolling? Heading out. We're up at Branson Table Rock Lake today, doing a photo shoot for Lowe Boat here in Kimberly City. It's a beautiful rainy day. It is not cold, but it is a little wet. Let's go.
Who's running that drone? Yeah, we're out here kind of, it happens pretty quick. So we might be able to get a boat, you know.
It's just the fog coming up through the trees. There's something so serene about it. It's like a peace you can't even explain to anybody unless they've been out here to feel it themselves. And I don't think everybody could feel it. It's something you have to have in your soul.
She's doing that feature shot right there.
Okay.
Hold on, thank you. Hold on, I'm gonna hit it home. Okay. I'm looking here at what we need to do on this boat. If you could drive a boat a little bit better, I'd probably jump over there and get it out of there. Oh, it broke my stinking line. Yes, I did. It broke that stinking line. It broke that line on that bait.
It took your bait?
Yes, that big bait. It broke my line. First cast, shoot. Shoot. This is braided line. It broke my line. It must have broke the, and that's a $17 bait, baby. Dang it. Hell. Son of a biscuit. Sorry, dang it. Alan's coming and he'll help. And I just had one break my line right here. A braid.
I'll go get set too. Alan, I don't even have to tell Alan what to do because like he's been doing this with me for so long that he just knows to do. He knows the shots I need.